Hello, traders. I hope you hear me. Please write in chat if all it's in order so we can start. It's all in order. Okay, so you are hearing me. Okay, so everybody hears me. So this is my first live. I hope it will go well. And I'm planning to do this type of live analysis every Monday on 12 o'clock GMT. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mihai Jacob. I trade for a living for more than 2 decades, to be more exact, from 2002. I started with stock trading, and since then, I think I traded almost every market. My focus at this moment is Forex, crypto, and most of all I trade gold, XAU, USD. Also, I need to tell you that this live is sponsored by Trade Nation. Trade Nation is a broker that gained a lot of popularity lately. They offer very low spreads. There are fixed spreads, and this way, also when there's a big volatility in the market, you have the same cost. But in my opinion, and what I like about Trade Nation is the fact that Trade Nation now has made a partnership with TradingView, and you can link together your Trade Nation account to TradingView, and you can trade directly from TradingView platform. Also, what I like a lot about this trader is that withdrawal, in fact, this is what interests me, are very fast. So I made a withdrawal 3 weeks ago or so, and came in my account in 4 hours. So the same day. Now, in this video, we will focus on Forex pair, US dollar main pairs, and gold and silver. But if you want me to look at a specific pair, please write in the chat section of the live, and at the end of the video I will look at those pairs also. So we will start with the XY, so dollar index, and as we can see, first false break under this support, the price went higher. At that moment, I said that is forming on a lower time frame, head and shoulders, broke the neckline of the head and shoulders, but again was a false up break, went down to support, and on Friday, the beginning of the month, NFP, the index broke clearly under this support, made a low, and at this moment we are in a normal correction. So in my opinion, as long as we are under this level of resistance now, the US dollar index is bearish. That meaning that the main US major pairs will be bullish. So we'll start with Euro USD. And here if you remember on Friday, I made a written analysis saying that so we have a first leg up, a drop. So according to this first leg up, this correction is contained in a flag. This is Friday's NFP. The market broke above this flag, made a high, and as I said on Friday, we can have here a falling wedge pattern. In this case, a correction in a falling wedge pattern. So in my opinion, Euro USD, as long as the price is above this low, Euro USD is bullish, and we need to buy dips. A good place for searching for buying opportunities will be 1.09. And in this case, if we target this high, we have on 1 to 2 risk reward. USD. Going to GBP USD. Here I'll go to a longer view. So GBP USD for more than a year formed a symmetrical triangle. It broke above this symmetrical triangle on July, made a high, started to drop, so in a correction, and as we can see, it stopped in this zone, so a confirmation of the break of the falling trend line. Also here we see that on Tuesday we have a bullish engulfing candle, so a bullish candle, and this bullish engulfing candle with this candle and this candle form a morning star candlestick pattern, which typically means reversal. So in this case, same as in Euro USD case, let's go to on 1 hour chart. We need to search for buying opportunities, and around 127.40, 127.30 would be a good place for buying GBP USD. And in this case, let's see. So let's say we buy at 38 with a stop loss under this level and the target in this area. We have a very good risk reward. It's 1 to 3.5. In my opinion, although GBP USD it's a lot harder to trade than Euro USD, at least from the risk reward point of view, GBP USD is more attractive. Going further to Aussie USD. Here, let me take this first. So here we have this huge drop, but as we can see, this huge drop is in fact a very strong pin bar in this level, in this zone, this support zone. The pair reversed hard, and here also we need to look for buying opportunities. As we can see, I wanted to buy around here, but it hasn't dropped around here. Here, a good place for buying would be around here, so 0.6550 or so. In this case, if we consider, let me go to a 4-hour chart. So in this case, let's say buy here. with a stop loss under this level and the target on this level of resistance given by the recent high, we have a 1 to 3 risk reward. So also a very good risk reward ratio. NSD USD. NSD USD, as we can see, it's also bullish. Same as Aussie USD for the long tail P bar here. In this case, we see that is exactly in the level of support, and at this moment is trying to break this falling trend line. If it breaks, I think it will break above, also above this level of and will continue at least to this level, so 0.6220 or so. But if the market accelerates to the upside, this is my target for Kiwi USD. Now we're going to gold. I'm sure everybody wants that. So let's take this from the chart. So as you know, I've been bearish last week, gold, and even had two sell trades on gold last week. One, I don't know, 40 pips or something, so nothing. And on Friday, I closed on break even. At that point, I thought that gold will drop again under this level, and it didn't. So invalidated my idea, and at this moment I'm bullish. I'm not in the market at this moment, but I'm bullish, looking to buy on dips. So let's look at what happened with gold. Made this high on NFP. If you remember, the market on NFP, so that at the beginning of the month was very volatile. We see on the daily chart this huge range for the day, like 600 pips. And on Monday, as we can see, after a high in this level, the market dropped very hard. So almost 1,000 pips range for the day. After this, the market recovered. We see also here this pattern, so morning star pattern. On Friday, dips were bought for the pair, and now the pair is going to the upside. So initially, I thought that this level would offer resistance. In the first instance, it did, dropped to that level. At that moment, I had put my stop loss in break even, and the close was to the upside, closing my trades with zero profit or loss. Now, we see that after this drop, the market reversed down again, made a lower high, down again, but formed here a very strong level of support. After this went up, broke above this resistance, and now it's going to the upside. At least it's looking like it's going to the upside. My target for this rise is around here, so 2460, and I will remain bullish as long as we have this trend line and this level in. So we see we have a confluence around here. Around here would be a good place to buy. So let's say it will drop to here, and after this will go up to this level of resistance. However, if the market is not holding above, we see this level, it's very important, 2420. It has here support, it became resistance, again broke above and formed support, and this is a level of great importance for the future of XauUsd. So as I said, this is my strategy. I'm looking to buy around 2430 for a rise around 2460. Negation under this or maybe higher. We'll finish with silver because here I saw something interesting. And we'll go to the daily chart. As if you remember, I said that on long term I'm very bullish silver and expect 35 from it. And as we can see, after silver broke above this 1 year consolidation, went up, formed support, went up again, and last week it reversed also from this zone, forming a very nice bullish engulfing, which engulfs these two small candles. On Friday, we have this small consolidation, and again, silver is up. So my idea for silver is also buy on dips, and the first target that I see for silver could be here, around 31.70 or so. So in this case, we have 1 to 4 risk reward. But as I said, if you have patience, and indeed I'm right, and silver will go to 35, the risk reward for silver, let's put it around here, it's 1 to 5. So that's it for this analysis. Let's see if there are something that you want. Previous periodic reverse from now break. Okay, exactly what I was saying. I closed on zero, my friend. I'm not predicting. This is something that I want to explain, and I explain a lot in my private channel. I don't have a crystal ball. All I can do is trade probabilities. And in that case, the most probable scenario at that moment was a drop from 2430 zone, which I did. I sold on 2432. Those of you who are in my private channel know that. When the price dropped to 2420, I moved the stop loss in break even, and the market went up. Okay, so what's nothing is wrong here. So NAS 100, so only NAS 100. Okay, so let's look at technology index. So here, remember I spoke about this head and shoulders. The market, as we can see from this level, so the channel went up, tested this level and dropped hard. At this moment, I'm pretty bearish technology index, and an ideal point for selling would be this confluence. So a test of the broken channel support and a test of the falling trend line. with stop loss above this level and the target on this level, so 1 to 2.5 risk reward. What time frame? The trend of the day, you can see it on 1 hour chart. Yes, you can see it on 1 hour chart. So let's look at gold again. I usually don't trade on very low time frames. So here, if we look at 1 hour chart, as I said, we have this level of support, broke above this level, tested and confirmed, went up, made a higher low here, went up, and all we can do now is wait and see if it's testing this level and search for buying opportunities. So that's it for my first live. On Wednesday, I will make an educational about RSI, because I see a lot of you traded with it, but traded wrongly. And also I see a lot of people that, I don't know, teach people how to trade with RSI and are saying only stupid things. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye.